did, barked a voice from above. I stole the fuzz. The prairie dogs froze. Then they raced up the long tunnel. There stood Big Bark, covered with fuzz from head to tail. I'm king of the fuzz, he snarled. Do you hear me? I'm king of the... Swoop. The sky went black. So before we turn the page, what do you think just happened to Big Bark? Something swooped. What swoops? Right, a bird. We can look at the picture. It kind of looks like feathers. What happened? Where's Big Bark? Look! There he was, high above their heads, dangling from the talons of an eagle. No more Big Bark, the crowd cheered. Yay! Don't yay! He's one of us, yelled Pip. We have to save him. How would you like to be Eagle's lunch? No, the crowd yelled. So what happened to Big Bark? An eagle grabbed him. The author didn't tell us we had to take the words the author told us and look at the picture to know that the eagle had been taken by an eagle. Big Bark, wiggle free, the prairie dog shouted. Shake loose, hurry, we'll catch you. Big Bark twisted and turned, wormed and squirmed, and at last he was free of the fuzz. Yay, the crowd cheered. Big Bark fell faster and faster. No, prairie dog scattered. Get back here, yelled Pip. Quick, make a circle. Hold out your paws. They got all together. They ran left, then right, then left. They're trying to catch him. They're going back and forth, trying to figure out where he's going to fall. Plop. Did they catch him? Yes, the pictures show me he did. The author didn't tell me. He just told me he fell and he plopped. But we can see from the pictures and connect it with the word plop that he fell right into their arms. You saved me, Big Bark cried, but I stole your fuzz and now it's gone forever. Good, said Peek. Fuzz is trouble, right? Yay, the crowd cheered. Friend hugged friend, cousin hugged cousin, dog hugged dog. We don't need fuzz, said Pip, but with Eagle around, we do need a watchdog with a big... Bark! Big Bark rose up on his hind legs. Eagle's back. Bark! This is not a test. Bark! All dogs below. Bark! Look at the eagle. Is he a bald eagle anymore? No. It's almost got hair like George Washington. The prairie dogs raced down, down, down the long tunnel. Woo! We made it. That was close. 3 cheers for Big Bark, the best watchdog ever. Yip, yip, yay! Yip, yip, yay! Yip, yip, yay! Just doing my job, Big Bark smiled. Are we ever getting tangled up with fuzz again? Cried Pipsqueak. No, the crowd yelled. No more fuzz. No more fuzz. And from that day forward, the prairie dogs lived happily and fuzzlessly ever after.